Once there was a man who wanted a pet that could talk. So he bought a parrot from a pet shop. The shopkeeper said, "This parrot can speak 3 languages." The man was very happy and took it home. Next morning he asked, "Good morning, what's your name?" The parrot replied, "What's your name?" The man laughed and said, "Oh, you're a clever bird." But after some days, the man got tired because the parrot only repeated everything he said. One day, the man shouted, "You are so annoying." The parrot shouted back, "You are so annoying." The man said angrily, "I'm leaving." The parrot replied, "Bye-bye, don't forget to bring snacks."